Hi friends, today's video is on healthy and weight loss recipe. I am going to show you how to make some healthy lettuce wraps. Just make sure you watch the video to the end and you will not regret it. Welcome and welcome back, beautiful people. It's me, Greyglamma. The ingredients we are going to use, I'm going to leave them in the description box. So let's start with the first wrap. That is the chicken club wrap. Some cooked and shredded chicken or turkey, some bell pepper, you can use cherry tomatoes, some avocado, unsweetened Greek yogurt, oregano, brown sugar, then mix all of them together. I think it would be good if you subscribe to my channel right now and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my subsequent videos. Now we are ready, we are done with the vegetable club wrap. We are going right over to make the fruity wrap. Mix some crunchy cucumbers, some mangoes, some red onions, and some diced pears. Add a little dash of lime juice, mix everything together, and we have our fruity wrap. I told you this is a healthy lettuce wrap, all healthy. Tell me where you are watching from and I will give you a shout out in my next video. Now we are going over to the tuna wrap. Add some avocado, some tuna, and some sweet corn. Now add some chili pepper, give it a mix, and you have the tuna lettuce wrap ready. Today's shout out and mention is for Titus Ndubisi that is watching us and supporting us from Germany. Thank you, Titus. The next is the classic wrap. You go in with the shredded chicken, some crunchy apple, some mustard sauce, some Greek yogurt. I forgot to drop the spoon, but it doesn't matter. Add some honey to it and some black pepper. Add a little salt, just a pinch of salt. You mix them together and you have the classic wrap. Easy, very easy to make and very healthy. This is good for weight loss and for weight management. The next we are going to do is the vegetable wrap. We go ahead and fry some onions. And then we add some carrots, add some red and green bell pepper, and just like fry for a minute, just like steaming. Then add black pepper and some turmeric. Mix together for another minute, making it 2 minutes. Allow it to cool down, then you add it to the lettuce leaf. The last but certainly not the least is the vegetarian wrap. Saute some red onion, then you go ahead and add some chopped garlic. If you love mushroom just like me, you will love this. Now you go ahead and add some mushroom. I added 3 types of mushroom here, but you can use only one type, one species of mushroom. Now I will add some soya sauce. Remember to cook this on low heat. Add some chili and cook for like 2 minutes so that the soya sauce will get into the mushroom and bring out the taste. Allow it to cool down and then add to the lettuce leaf. Now these are the 6 healthy lettuce wraps that I made for you today. You can make all of them together, try all of them and tell me which one you like best, or you can make only one. Just make something with your lettuce, something different, not only salad. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Tell me which of the wraps appeals more to you. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my next video. I hope to see you in the next one. Stay blessed and stay hydrated. Bye.